So continuing from where we stopped in the previous video, because I don't want the video to be lengthy, that was why I wanted to divide the video into two. So the tools at the top of your screen, I've explained everything there. So we are going down. The most important tools are down, so that was why I splitted the video. For example, this A tool is for text, where if you tap it, it will give you the chance to add text here or codes, the same code that is on top of the right corner of your screen. If you did not select anything. For example, if I select this button, you see other options will come. The first one is edit. If I want to edit it, then I will add what I want to add, then okay, you see it has added them. So delete, if I want to delete this thing. Copy, paste, if I want to duplicate what I am doing now. Paste, copy and paste, it will duplicate automatically. And to front, if you want to bring something to front or to back of an image or to back of an icon, to back, same thing. The position, how you want to position your text or anything. And relative position, the same thing. Size, text size, you can increase or decrease the size of your text. Then padding, if you want the text to align left or to align right. Color, as you can see, you can change the color of your text. I can make it, for example, yellow. I can make it black, I can make it white, depending on what I want. And you have gradient if you want combination or mixture of colors. This, for example, is going to give you mixture of several colors. And if you want to add, you can tap this plus sign beside the colors and you can see the options. For example, I can choose, maybe I want it to be this way. I will just click OK. That is all. It is going to combine the colors together. So that is all about it. Then the texture is one of the most important and most interesting things in Pixellab. Texture, if you want to add texture, you can select any image from your gallery. For example, from your downloads, you can select any image. For example, the colors that are not available in Pixellab, you can just get them like golden color, something like this. This text is going to appear golden. So this is how this texture is used. If you check the colors of the text, you won't see something like this. But if you have any image that has that color that you want, you can just use texture to add the color to this thing. And then the opacity is clear, rotate, font, background. If you want to add background to the text or anything, you just do like this. If you want it left padding or right padding, depending on how you want it. Background is for contrast. So all these remaining tools are very easy to use. Tap here. This is stroke. You can increase or decrease the stroke here and down. You can change the color of the stroke. You can choose anything you want. So the shadow also, you can add shadow. This is outer shadow and this is inner shadow and this is emboss. You can see how to change the color and the texture on the fonts. One of the most important and interesting tools is the 3D text. If you want to make 3D designs, you can use this button. As you can see, it has changed to 3D. It has changed to 3D. We are going to have a separate video for 3D designs. You can see this is one of the most interesting tools in Pixellab. Other applications don't have this. This is for reflection. If you choose it, the text is going to reflect. Whatsoever you are doing is going to reflect. So this is all about the A tool. The next one is for shapes. If you want to import something, you want to draw, or you want to use shapes, you want to use this tool or the arrow tool. All of these ones we are going to use them in separate video, because this video too is also getting lengthy. This is for images. If you want a transparent text, you can just tap transparent, it's going to appear transparent. Image size, you want to change image, there are images that are already in the application. As you can see, you can choose them as your background. And from gallery, it means you want to bring image from your gallery or from your camera. And this one is about contrast and brightness. We are also going to look at how all these tools are used in Pixellab. So this is the first tool. This 3 cycles is for default, to bring you back to your default options. As you can see, depending on what you want to design, these are also templates that are available. If you want to make 3D, we have various forms of the 3D. You choose the one that suits you depending on what you want to do. So this is all about Pixellab for today.